Today I'm going to introduce you to the GoSun Solar Grill. This amazing technology uses the power of the sun to cook meals at home. So I'm going to show you how this technology works, and we're going to use it to make homemade sun-baked apple crisp. Let's check it out. The core of this technology is the solar vacuum tube. It's a near perfect insulator, allowing it to cook even in the most challenging conditions. The light will reflect off of these panels, and it will concentrate inside this tube where the energy has nowhere to go but inside your food. It can bake, roast, and steam a meal for 4 to 6 people between 1 or 2 hours depending on the sun conditions. The first step of cooking with the grill is to line up these reflectors with the angle of the sun. Next, you want to know the internal temperature of the grill. What I did is I bought this Therm Pro thermometer and I inserted it inside the tube. And as you can see, the temperature is perfect right now for cooking and baking. The first step to making the apple crisp is chopping up about 4 apples. That gives me about 4 cups. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice mixed with 2 tablespoons of water. What this is going to do, it's going to prevent the apples from looking brown. We're going to add to a bowl 2 tablespoons of milk. Here I'm using almond milk. You can use any type of regular milk or nut milk. This is 2 tablespoons of banana flour that I made in a previous video. You could use oat flour, pretty much any type of flour. And then the last ingredient that you want to mix in is going to be maple syrup. You can use agave nectar as well. We'll put about 2 tablespoons in there. I'll put a little bit more. Okay. Now you just want to mix that up. Just like that. And once it's stirred, fully mixed, you're going to add it to the apples. The final step to making the apple crisp is making the crumble topping. To do that, you're going to use about 1.5 cups of rolled oats. This is a thick rolled oats. Make sure it's organic so you don't get any Roundup in it. Then you're going to add some type of butter. I'm using coconut butter. This is a really cool product. We're going to add some maple syrup. Put about 3 tablespoons of that in there. Okay, we're just going to mix this up, and then we're going to add it to the top of the apple crisp. So I did one of the toppings already. I'm going to show you this one. Spatula helps to get everything out, which is awesome. Spread that out. And now you can add more things. You can be creative with it. You can add sliced almonds on top. You can do cranberries, raisins. I'm just going to put a little bit of cinnamon on each one. And I'm going to use a little nutmeg as well. All right, so that looks perfect. Now it's ready for the solar grill. As you can see, I took the thermometer out so I can insert the trays. Just want to open it up like this. Put one in, slide it all the way to the end, and then add the second. It's as easy as that. Just make sure you close it up tight and it's ready to bake. Okay, so it's been 1.5 hours. I'm gonna open this up and let's check it out. Oh man, it smells delicious. And as you can see, the top is crispy. The apples are really soft, and this apple crisp is ready to serve. Well, there you have it. Homemade, sun-baked apple crisp. It's amazing what you can do with the power of the sun. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and share with all your friends. Well, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.